Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2021 BMW M235i Gran Coupe. Gran Coupe, depends on what side of the world you're on. So I will be honest here. This is all courtesy of BMW of Sudbury, by the way. Alright, now I'll be a little bit honest. I didn't expect a lot with this thing, but I was wrong. This thing is awesome. I just stepped out of an F80 M4. So I'm like, oh, it's gonna be okay. No, this thing's awesome. Total price of $55,265. Really, really nice. M Performance. Storm Bay Metallic over Magma Red. This one has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with the 8-speed automatic. Not bad at all. Now, I haven't driven it for the channel, but I have taken a test drive of it. The Mercedes A45 AMG. Obviously, this car's direct competitor. This is better. This is way better. Let's take this thing out for a drive. Some people are going to like the AMG, that's why both options exist. But if I had to spend money on either one, I'd go with the 235. It's just a really, really nice car. Obviously, this is the top of the line for the Gran Coupe. You still can get your M2. But no, this thing is properly fun. Some people might be upset about the 4-cylinder. I think the sales guy told me about 301 horsepower from this 4-cylinder. But in all honesty, power delivery is excellent. Sound is not bad at all. You get some nice burbles and cracks on upshifts. I turned you off. Don't you go. Light, nimble chassis, platform dynamics are amazing for what this segment really is. Now keep in mind, I don't normally review performance. Oh, I gotta send it. Majority of my channel is not performance cars. A lot of it is everyday consumer cars. So when you step into a performance car like this, it's gonna feel a lot different. So a lot of that could be the fact that I'm used to driving consumer cars all the time. But if you think about the fact I daily drive a car, Challenger Scat Pack with 500 horsepower, there's my fulfillment of fun right there. So it's like a good refresher course, so I'm not stepping into everything thinking it's the fastest car in the world. This thing is a ton of fun. It's a properly fun car. Now, I've not driven the 2 Series Coupe, like the 235 from previous gens, hopefully. I haven't even driven an M2, but I have driven the M4, of course. I need to stop gesturing with my hands because of gesture control. It's going to turn on the radio. I don't want that to happen because then copyright things. But all in all, man, this thing is a ton of fun for the segment. Now this segment, like I said, A45 AMG, that's the best example I can think of. Your Audi S3, which I really don't like. Interior on that is crap. Nice M5. So like that kind of segment. Now, yet to drive an S3, just don't like the overall dynamics. I've driven an RS3. It's an awesome car, but that's worlds above this. That's closer to like your M2. But the A45, that was a ton of fun too, but I just like how this car performs just a little bit better. Properly quick car. Definitely sounds better than the S3. M3. Oh, don't say that. People will get upset at me if I say that. People are already upset at me because I like the looks of the new M3, M4. I love it. Everybody's gonna hate on me in that video, but I like it a lot. This is a properly fun car, man. Didn't expect a lot because all I hear is people complaining about it, saying, "Oh, it's not a proper M car." Rah, rah, rah. No, it's a properly fun car. I have to say, after today driving all these fun cars, M is a new favorite letter in the alphabet, man. It's definitely the fastest letter in the alphabet. Oh, nice bonfire. Alright. All in all, man. Oh. Idiot. 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 P. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.